The lights are off.
Oh shit.
The hell? Are we doing the stop sign?
Don't be like. How am I gonna do a U-turn? Yay, small car. See?
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Advantage.
You get away with more shit.
Yeah. A lot of people, just small car, let her go.
Yeah, exactly. What the hell? Look, it's telling me to go back. So why not? Hi.
Hello.
Are you paying for parking?
Yeah.
$25.
Alright.
I'm more interested in the car than the roller coaster.
That's a nice, cool car.
What is it? Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
Meow. Chevrolet.
I wonder how much it costs to like maintain something like this. Yay! Wee! Larissa, POV. Where shall we go, Jackie?
What do you want to do first?
Is there a ride you like? Well, you haven't been here in a while, so
No.
okay.
Where are we right now?
We are somewhere
We're like here, I think.
Yeah.
Is the fountains?
Who's oh, that like shoots up.
Yeah. It's a short one.
That's pretty short. Yeah. It's coming.
It's the last chance out now, you're done.
Okay.
There's
Starbucks.
also Tim Hortons.
No,
Yeah.
I don't like Timmy's.
What? Oh.
No, that's mine. Yeah.
Yeah. Jaja.
Yeah, either go buy the water or here.
Do you want to go by the water? That's just gonna be the whole video, us doing B-sides.
Oh. What is this? It's not a paper, but 100% compostable. Interesting. Plant-based.
How is it?
Tastes like a very sweet caramel.
As if caramel wasn't sweet enough.
Yeah. Tastes like very sweet. Yeah.
I guess we should remember to like reduce like the syrups next time.
No? For you?
Reduce the
I think
syrup.
it's fine. I enjoy it. But you know, like there's a little bit of candy. Those are really
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like I think caramel bits. It's like a toffee. My manager tried to ask me to work today. Because he was like, one of the girls needed, I don't know if it was like an emergency or something. Or no, I think they forgot to book it off. And so they're asking if anybody could cover, and I'm like, no, I have plans. Even though like at the time I was like, I don't have plans. Stop this?
Huh?
Can I stop this?
If you want.
It's just gonna be footage of me sitting here. I don't know if that's...
He just wants to go people. Ah, it's running away. No, goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh no! Oh,
Okay, now comes the hard part. We have to declare our winner. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of seconds to
Yeah,
count.
there's a still from the
Remember,
bucket.
any regular size